Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I went scavenger. I went to Tuesday morning, and I did go to a Savers. So let's take a look at a few of the things that we picked up. First off, we grabbed some paper clips. The paper clips were $2.49. Number on this one is 2233128. Little butterflies. They're just cute. I thought those were adorable. I grabbed a pack of the mini paper bags. There's 25 pieces in here for $1.49, 222-6736. And we'll take a look. They say they're food safe, so let's take a look. Oh yeah, they're real nice. They're kind of, they're waxy, like deli paper. So I thought those were really cute. I grabbed those. And I do mail a lot of smalls, like little things like this and stuff. So I wanted to get some smaller envelopes just so, I can probably, try and possibly save some more money here and there on postage to you guys. These are A2 envelopes. They're 4.375 inches by 5 3/4 inches. $2.99 on these, 2240432. And then I grabbed a pack of this. Now, I normally don't get this. And I would especially not buy anything that was this dull because there's just not a lot of color in there. But it has parchment in it. And it looks, from the side, it looks like it has quite a bit of parchment paper in it. And I like the parchment paper to print up my phrases. So $4.99 on this one, 120 pieces. 2160817 on that one. Get that out of the way. And then I grabbed this. This is a quick cut. It's an oval clip for $1.99, 2268566. And it's just a little clip thing. And I thought, if I cut this out of like 110-pound cardstock and glue two of these together, it would be pretty strong. And it's a nice shape to be able to decorate. So I think I'm going to be doing some tab clips with this in a video. And then I grabbed this little guy. This is a knockout. It's called a knockout. It's from American Crafters. It's 0.375 inches, okay? This little thing is tiny. And the reason that I bought this is so that I can make my own reinforcements for paper, for pages, for my tags and stuff. So I have one that's a little bigger than this. So I grabbed this little tiny one. $1.49 on that one. Number is 2240440. So I'll put that back in the package so I don't lose it because it is small and I lose small things. So, all right. Get this out of the way. Now, here's the thing I have discovered. This is not what you should do. You should never, ever, ever go on a scavenger out of state, come home, pile everything in your craft area, and then go, it's just too messy in here. Because you know what happens? You end up rearranging things. So I am going to be showing you guys a video of the new Bemis Crafty Corner. My corner has expanded, and it is much better organized than it was. And I can see the hubber now. He's not hiding behind a box or some jars. Okay, let's see what we got at the Savers. Okay, so I did get some stuff, and it went immediately into the Hags vats. Yeah. So, other than that, this was all I got, one bag. And I can't even remember why I got the bag, but I got the bag. So let's get, oh, I remember why I got the bag. Okay, here we go. Let's get all this out of here. I'm dropping things, guys. All right. Stay, Ubu. Okay. So, first off, there were these. And these are the ones that you put on fabric, to clip stuff. And I have a board that I think I'm going to be putting up probably on one side here. And these will work on that board, so I grabbed those. Then I had... there were some of these that were like the sign here ones. So I grabbed those. Love them. This was just incidental. Had some pretty rose paper stuff in there. So it's just a pad of paper. Who knows? Put it on the desk. Maybe we'll use it. So we got these. One says okay, and the other one is an arrow. And I thought, You know, everybody needs an arrow in their life, right? Where's that pad? Yeah, the one we just put over there. Here we go. It may not work. Hold on. Whew. Okay. It works. It works. So I got a red arrow and a blue okay. And I thought those were just kind of fun. So I grabbed them. We're going to put them up here. So I grabbed those. And this is what I actually saw in the bag, were these items right here. There's 2 packs of these that I saw. And so I just grabbed them. And these are like paper clips. And they're flat. And I like these when I do altered paper clips. If I'm not using the owl clips, I like to use these. So, you know, I ended up with a set of them. And I thought that was kind of cool. I got 2 sets, actually, in the package. So I got those. And the other thing that I saw was this. And, well, you know, it's a magnet. And I got to have it. And it's an adhesive back magnet. And I thought I could do some really cool bookmark type things with these. So I grabbed them. Yeah. Oh, yeah, those are going to be good. So I grabbed them because that's what I really wanted, was this pack of magnets. So I grabbed that. And that was kind of it on the Scaventure. Now, when I got home, well, what was this? Oh, the cubicle hooks. These are the hooks ones. So I got 2 bags of the clip ones and one of the hooks, and those are cool. And I'm going to use those on a bulletin board sign here. How stinking ridiculous is that? Okay. So then I got home, and I had ordered some stuff, and it came in. And so what I did is I ordered some charms, and I got these. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a little polka dotted cup, and it's got a pair of scissors and some paint brushes and stuff in it. Just adorable. And then this one, is a little artist palette. If you guys can get the camera to focus. Focus. It's a little artist palette. And this one it's a little cat doing a happy dance. And I was really specific when I picked out these charms. Let's see, what else do we have? A little dragonfly. And a tiny little cupcake. Right? And a magical crafting wand. You know, for when you're doing that magical crafting. A little bitty butterfly or bumblebee. It's a bumblebee. Yeah, it's a little bumblebee. Oh, you guys can't see it. It will clear up. Come on. Take my word for it. It's a bumblebee. And I got this one, which is a little shooting star with a little tail. And this one, which is a little ladybug. See how cute she is? Yes. And little wings with hearts. and some little scissors. Aren't they cute? Just stinking adorable little pairs of scissors. And then I got these. Now, I did get these two for my Halloween kit, I have to be honest. This is a little witch on a broom. Right? Isn't she cute? And these adorable spider webs. Right? So, most of these I got for my dangle kits and bookmark kits and stuff, so that I could put in some of the most requested charms, and others I just got because, well, they're too stinking cute, and I was going to put them in my Halloween kit. So, that's it, guys. That's all I got on my Scaventure. So listen, if you haven't done it already, please do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that red button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends, because I got charms and kits and Halloween stuff getting put together. And I will see you guys in the next live. Bye-bye.